Okay. I have all the sugar I am going to need for about 5 years, so we're gonna go check out now. I don't even know why I got this. Why did I get this drink? It's a Dr. Pepper slushie. I don't know. The lighting in here is awesome. Okay. Okay, show me. You're gonna get these.
Yeah, we got some pins.
We got pins. Hey, Brandon. Hey, Brandon. Where are they made?
They're made in China.
Made.
Classic Americana, made in China.
Yes. Yes. Buc-ee's everywhere. I know, that's what he said. He was like, maybe we'll get a hat. Welcome to the phenomenon that is Buc-ee's. If you need something that has a beaver on it, you can get it here.
I'm so excited.
You guys ready for the concert?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
They're so excited. This is they went to a Japanese band concert in Shanghai. But other than that, this is the first American concert you've been to, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Other than Justin Bieber. But they were three. They were like 3, yeah, 4 and 5, 4 and 6.
I still remember that.
Yeah.
That's like a core memory of mine.
Berkeley fell asleep.
Wait, is that the one where
so cute.
one of my things fell out?
Yeah, one of your earplugs fell out and you were crying.
I remember that.
Yeah, that was a bad mom moment. Yeah. That's that's like the last American concert you've been to. So, this will be fun. So I know a lot has happened in my life in the last 6 to 8 months, and I just want to say thank you so much for sticking around and just even being curious enough to watch this video and, find out what I'm about to tell you. If you know me personally, you probably already know this information. However, a lot of you just know me through this channel, and so I am here to update you all. As you know, my family and I moved back from Shanghai, China to Oklahoma, in the United States. This is where Brandon and I both grew up. Our families are here still. And so we made the decision to move back just for a support system. And we got here in December. Brandon came in January, and he had already gotten a job as a school teacher. I was very lucky that I actually received a job in the library at that same school. And so I've been the library assistant there for the past 4 months, and it's been great. I've learned a lot, and it's been amazing. I'm very, very grateful for my librarian. She's awesome. Sarah, if you're watching this, thank you. But we came back, and I think we had these ideas that we would be able to sustain our family financially. It would be fine. We've done it in the past. And meanwhile, all of our friends are saying, no, it's gotten really bad here, Melissa. Just know. I'm like, it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. It has to be, right? So fast forward a couple months being here, and it's not fine. Wah, wah. It's really hard, you guys. The situation that we're in is not super fun. It's just, being educators in the United States is not a lucrative job, unfortunately. And that's really why we went international in the first place, is because for us with 3 kids and just a big family in general, it is better for us financially to be abroad. That's why I went to China. A lot of people are like, why China? Well, it was a really good financial move for us. But anyway, I digress. All that to say, we started looking for other options. About 3 months ago, we made the decision that we would start looking internationally again. Didn't really tell family or anything like that because we didn't want to get people maybe upset or, something that may not happen because we didn't know. I mean, after coming back, it's really difficult to get back into the international market. So about 2 months ago, Brandon applied for so many jobs. I can't even tell you, it's so many jobs, but one in particular. And then all of a sudden, one morning, he wakes up and he's like, oh my gosh, the head of this school wants to interview you. And I'm like, oh my God, that's amazing. Freaking out a little bit. Didn't get our hopes up though, because it was like a long shot. Anyway, all that to say, he did get the job. And so I want to let you guys know that the next adventure that the Reisenhuber family is going on is that we are moving to Prague, Czech Republic. Yay! The dream of living in Europe is finally happening. I'm so excited. I literally cannot wipe the smile off my face. It's just like a dream come true. Our end goal has always been to be back in Europe. We lived in Germany for a year and loved it. That was cut short for various reasons, but we have always wanted to go back to Europe. We did not think Europe was even an option until after our kids were out of the house. So we are going to be moving to Prague in August, and that dream, is becoming a reality. It's going to be really great because our girls are very interested in going to university in Europe. And so this will just be super easy for us to get them wherever they want to go and be connected in that way. We have never been to the Czech Republic. Kind of crazy, but we've never been to China either. And so this is going to be a brand new adventure. And we're all very, very excited. A little nervous, obviously. I mean, who wouldn't be moving to a new country that you've never been to? But everything has been going really well, really smoothly so far. However, I am going to be working a remote position while I'm there because A, I'm not done with school yet. I still have another semester. And then B, they did not have a position for me yet. Maybe in the future, who knows? But I will be working remotely. So another life update is that I want to let you guys all know that I will be opening up my virtual assistant packages and, services as of now. I'm going to start taking clients. I have a pretty extensive resume. If you know of anyone who needs a virtual assistant or is looking for maybe a channel manager for their YouTube channel or podcast editing, any of that stuff, please let me know. Send them my way because I am pretty good at it. So anyway, not to toot my own horn or anything, but I do need clients. So that is my other announcement. And that's it. It's a big one, but I really, really hope that you guys all, continue on this journey with us, continue watching our lives unfold in Prague. I am going to be vlogging again. Since I will be working remotely, I will have the time and energy to do that. And I am so excited. I've heard that Prague is just like a fairy tale, and getting to show that through my lens is going to be just magical, and I cannot wait. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart for being here and supporting me and my family with this channel. If you have any questions, put them below and I will answer. So anyway, thanks you guys, and I will see you in the next video.